Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be creating a tutorial on how you can actually take a custom logo. You can bring that logo in and apply it to a 3D model. Like for example, yesterday I created a chopper knife. I'm going to go ahead and create a basic logo. It's not my logo, it's just one I got off the internet. Just to show you guys how to actually do the process. You obviously would put your own logo on there, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up CorelDRAW. You're going to go ahead and go File, New. You're going to create an 8.5 by 11 document. Click OK. You're going to go ahead and bring in the actual chopper knife. I'm bringing this in just as a reference to how big I want the logo to be. So now you're going to go ahead and import the knife logo. Import. Now we'll obviously size this down quite a bit. And we'll go Control plus to zoom in. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead. Let's click off that. Let's go ahead and select that logo. We'll go Control plus to zoom in. We'll go right mouse click on this, outline trace, and then we'll say detailed logo. We'll reduce bitmap. Go ahead and click OK. We'll go ahead and drag this copy off, which is our traced image. The bottom one is the raster image. So we'll go ahead and let's go zoom out. Move that out of the way. Zoom in. Let's go view. You can also, if you view by wireframe, you can tell which one is the bitmap, which one's not. So we'll go ahead and delete that. We got to fix this logo. It's a little messed up. Sometimes tracing is hit or miss. Depends. To fix this, you select the knife, Control U to ungroup. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure there's only one of those. We're going to use our shaping feature. We're going to weld that to there. And we're going to make sure there's only one of these. Okay, we only want one of these, so we're going to click and drag up. We're going to get rid of this. Well, it looks like I can't get rid of it. Go ahead and use your edit tool. Drag your copy around these nodes, hit delete. Undo, undo. Okay, that one looks messed up here. Both of these do, so we'll see if we can fix it just by moving it into place. Okay, we're going to go ahead and weld that to there. Then we're going to weld that to there. Okay, it could cause some problems. All depends. Go back to normal. We want to go ahead and weld that to there. We want to weld that F to the bottom. And then we want to fix this E. So we'll go to wireframe, make sure there's just one of these. We want to get rid of that. We don't need that. So we'll go undo, delete. And we'll go click the top part, weld to the bottom part. Okay, this should be okay. So we'll go ahead and select this, Control minus to zoom out. And then we're going to pan over. I'm going to take this over there, kind of give an idea what it's going to look like. Control plus to zoom in. Use our slider to slide over. Control plus. We're going to go to view, view normal. We can make that a little bit bigger, so shift. I'm going to put this right about there. Okay, that looks good. So we'll go ahead and export. Let's get rid of this knife. We don't need it. Delete. We'll go ahead and select that. We'll go to export. Export as an untitled one, as an SVG scalable graphics on the desktop. Make sure selected only is on. We'll go export. We're going to go minimize this. We're going to go into FreeCAD. We need to save this out as a steep file, and then we'll be able to bring this into Design Spark. So we'll go ahead and move this over, create new, move it over. We'll grab our untitled one, drag it into the desktop. SVG as geometry, select. We'll go Control A. We're going to go export. We'll just put test, desktop, steep, save. Come over here, we'll minimize this. We're going to open up our chopper knife. I created this a couple days ago. Okay, go ahead and click on the chopper knife. We're going to select this right here until it turns orange, and then we're going to go to File up here. And we're going to change the file types down here to steep. Then we want to click on our test steep that we just created, hit open. We want to hit OK to this. Now we want to just click and drag this up. Click off of it. We want to select everything. We want to come over here to fill and fill it. Now we want to select everything again, and we want to drag this down into place. I don't know if I want to put this on the blade or actually on the handle. Might look cool on the handle too. Let's go ahead and move it into place on the handle. No, handle's too curved. We'll go ahead and put that in the middle. Just drag up a little bit. Alright, so we'll go ahead and now that we have the logo into place, we'll go ahead and hit spin. We want to go ahead and pull, and then we want to pull. We don't want to pull out too far, maybe let's go like 0.50 and then hit select. Alright, it looks like something happened with the bottom piece. Go ahead and zoom in. Let's pan this over. Sometimes stuff doesn't come in properly, like the E. We're going to have to fix the E, and we're going to have to fix the I, so I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to go top view. We need to get rid of this. Delete. We'll go ahead and zoom in, Control plus, and we'll pan over. So we're going to have to create the base of the eye. So go ahead and turn off the snaps. Get our line tool. We're just going to go ahead and get the select tool, grab our line tool again, and we're going to come over, click the select tool to click off, grab our line tool again, and then we're going to put line right in there. Go ahead and get our trim away tool. Trim away all that. This is pretty common. A lot of times you will have to fix logos. It's pretty normal. They don't always come in, you know, sometimes you get lucky and a logo will come in perfect and you don't have to do anything to it. Other times you'll have to spend some time fixing them, but it isn't that big a deal. We'll get pull. We're going to pull this out the same amount as the other ones, 0.5. Okay, there's that one is fixed. That one we can get rid of. Now we're going to go view by top. The more prep work you do in CorelDRAW, the less you have to fix changes. So we're going to have to go in here and add that E in right into there. So Control plus. We're going to go ahead and click in there. All right, go ahead and click on select. We're going to grab our 3-point arc just to fix this up real quick. Right there. Go ahead and select. Go ahead and spin. Now we can go ahead and cut that in. Click. Go ahead and pull. We'll click on that. We're going to go cut. And we're going to drag it. And then we're going to hit select. Then we're going to spin, take a look at it. Okay, that should be fine. So go ahead and let's go to top view. Okay, there's our logo. We can come in Control plus one more time. Go ahead and give it a spin. It's just sticking off the knife 0.50. We went ahead and fixed the I, and we went ahead and fixed the E on the E. Those didn't come across properly, but that's how you would add a custom logo to a knife or a custom logo to anything that you're creating in Design Spark Mechanical. Okay, we'll go ahead and do top view to take a look, and then we'll come do the isometric. Okay, there you go. That's going to end the tutorial for today. Hopefully you found something useful out of it, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you for watching.